Hi friends, I'm so glad you're here. Guess what? Today we're visiting old MacDonald's farm. Let's meet the animals and sing along. Are you ready? Let's go.
Welcome to the farm with me. Down to the farm, what will we see?